Mercedes Benz monovalves, still available again. So I'm making this video as a quick response to Greg Etchison. Greg had asked if he could get a monovalve insert that was better than the crappy MTC unit, and you can. Mercedes actually brought the monovalve kit back into production about 6 months ago. It is $168, but it is well worth it because it actually works. So there's nothing better than paying for a part and getting a part that actually works. I usually replace the electromagnetic coil with the monovalve, and so Brints & Company has these from their original manufacturer, Bosch, and they are exactly like they were when they were new. There is no difference at all in quality. They are wonderful, and they're only about 90 bucks. So that's Brints & Company in New Orleans, Louisiana. And in the meantime, I was going to plug one other thing, since all of you might be watching. This is my book, A Conversion for Hopeless Romantics, and you can buy it on Amazon. That is A Conversion for Hopeless Romantics, and I wrote this book back in 2012 and 13 and finally self-published it. It has a lot of car-related stuff in it, but it is actually a work of literary fiction, and I really enjoyed writing it, and I hope some of you decide to read it. So, you know, I don't really make any money off of this. I just would like for somebody to read my book. In the meantime, about the bill, going back to the monovalves, I thought it was really nice to see some conversation on my page about this stuff. And like I said, if you really urgently need to get a hold of me, you can always email me at mbownersforlife@gmail.com or mbownersforlife@bellsouth.net. And I really love it when you guys discuss things, because there could be somebody watching who could help you with your question. You know, I love the community. I love the community dialogue here. And one other thing I was going to add, if you see anybody that is trying to say anything mean to me, feel free to step in and tear them a new one. Also, I personally delight in seeing people get what they deserve for leaving negative comments. But anyway, the important thing here is that we're discussing parts that you need for your car. So in the meantime, like, share, subscribe. If you need a monovalve, buy one from Mercedes and not from MTC. And don't forget to post your comments below. Thank you.